Okay, this is apartment number 3. Walking inside, I've just installed a new smoke detector. This is the prior one that we said works, but I'll just demonstrate it again. There we go, it's battery powered. And this one is brand new here. It's been installed, has a battery in it as well. And there's the test on that. You can see it's plenty loud. And this is apartment number 2. This is the bottom downstairs apartment. It's unoccupied. Again, this is the one that we said was good. This is testing well. Keep in mind, apartment number 4 was, the wired one was okay, so I won't be showing that. That is the battery unit. And this is the brand new installed, this is what all the new ones are, these Fire X units. And I'll test this one. As you can see, it's got a battery inside it as well. And the light is nice and green. Okay, and now on to apartment number 1. This is the battery one that was installed and working. You can see, there you go. And now this was just installed brand new. This is again the Fire X unit. And you can see it flash. It's green. And the battery installed as well. There we go. It's back green again. And everything's working.